Don't let seasickness, sunburns, and hangovers ruin your next trip. Get ready to set sail on your next adventure with these 8.5 must-pack items so you can feel great and enjoy every moment of your vacation. So join me on board Virgin Voyages as I reveal the ultimate packing list for things you definitely don't want to forget on your next cruise. I want to show you 8.5 items that you can bring on your cruise to have a much better time. And I'm also going to link these in the description below if you're interested. Number one, very important, sunscreen. You want to stay safe by protecting yourself from the sun. And you definitely don't want to pay cruise ship prices for your sunscreen, so be sure to pack that with you. Face mask. A nice hydrating face mask will keep you fresh and moisturized. And you can also get one of these nice warming eye masks for some relaxation as well. One of our favorite things is we always bring lots of liquid IV. So with liquid IV, basically you're going to stay super hydrated if you take these while you're on the airplane where it's really dry, but also we know we come on a cruise ship to have a good time, and these can definitely help you out there as well. If you suffer from seasickness, one thing that really blew me away is that although this cruise has been really rocky, Amanda has not had any issues with seasickness, which is amazing because if you remember the last video, it hit her pretty hard. So we asked around, and here's the strategy for seasickness. Bonine. You want to basically start taking this a few days before your cruise, and of course bring along some Dramamine as well if that becomes a problem. One other thing that was super helpful is these motion patches, and these will basically go right behind your ear here, and they're herbal patches to help with seasickness as well. And to complete the seasickness trifecta, these acupuncture wristbands. She's been using these as well since our last cruise, and they seem to be helping out tremendously. So very cool. Now, one thing we didn't need on the Virgin cruise, but we brought anyway for the hotel, is a European adapter. So on Virgin cruises, no matter where you are, you're gonna have both American and European outlets, but they also have plenty of USB. However, your hotel may not. So I would highly recommend when you're traveling to bring an adapter. Now this one actually has USB-C and the USB-A plugs, and it has a couple of plugs around the side. So you can hook up a lot into one outlet, super helpful. And finally, we have some earplugs. Now, depending on where you end up on the ship, it may be a little loud at night. If you're the type of person that likes to go to bed a bit early, then I think you'll really appreciate bringing some earplugs along. And the bonus 8.5 item is one thing we do that's really helpful is we have a travel bin in our house. So I would recommend purchasing or just taking a bin in your home and placing all of your travel items like this in there. So next time you go on a cruise or any other type of vacation, everything's ready to go. You can pack up and be on your way super fast. You can find links to everything I mentioned in this video in the description below. If you found the video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for luxury travel reviews and money-saving tips. You can also pre-register for my free travel course at lovethosepoints.com. Now, if you're ready for even more excitement, be sure to check out this video where we live like rock stars for 7 nights in a Virgin Voyages suite.